Hello again, good afternoon. Heavy rain moving in across the northwest over the next few hours, so take care if you're out and about on the roads. It will begin to clear for parts of Cheshire and Derbyshire by the end of the afternoon, but showers will be feeding in behind it. And for many areas tonight, rather unsettled, showers on and off throughout the course of the night. And the early hours of tomorrow morning, plenty of cloud cover, perhaps temperatures dipping to 4 or 5 Celsius where we see some breaks further south. Bit of a cloudy start with mist and fog around initially tomorrow morning. Showers will develop through the course of the day and some of these into the afternoon could be heavy and thundery, but there's some brightness to be had. Hello, very good evening to you. An unsettled few days ahead weather-wise. Low pressure dominates and there'll be showers to come tomorrow, followed by spells of rain from Wednesday onwards nearly every day and increasingly windy conditions as well. Low pressure everywhere on the chart over the next couple of days or so. Briefly, it could be brighter and a little bit drier through the first part of the day tomorrow, but showers will crop up through the afternoon, some of which will be rather heavy. Back to this evening's details, low cloud, mistiness and a few fog patches with further showers across the northwest of England and for the Isle of Man for a time. After midnight, a little drier, but still rather damp and drizzly. At least we're free from frost, 5 or 6 Celsius for most places before tomorrow morning. On to tomorrow then, and first of all the sun times. It will be setting tomorrow evening at 7:49. For the northwest, it's likely to be rather cloudy tomorrow to start the day, with perhaps a few pockets of fog up in the Pennines for the Lakeland Fells to start the day. And as you can see here, showers already developing through the morning, and with any brightness into the afternoon, that warmth will begin to generate further showers. Some of these could be rather heavy. North Lancashire, Cumbria could see a rumble or two of thunder, maybe some hail in the mix. But around it, bright spells, some drier weather too, and temperatures to around 13 or 14 Celsius tomorrow afternoon. After tomorrow, I'm afraid, very unsettled conditions with low pressure dominating, driving in frontal systems pretty much every day. And that means spells of rain to come. At least it's on the mild side. However, as we approach the end of the week, winds will be increasing in strength. So it's wet and windy as we go into the weekend. Hello again. An unsettled few days ahead weather-wise. If you're hoping to get out and about, cater for quite a few showers during the day tomorrow. And from midweek onwards, spells of rain and increasingly windy weather to end the working week. Low pressure then everywhere on the chart, but at least hopefully a quieter start to the day tomorrow with some brightness before showers tend to move in. And from midweek onwards, cloudier skies, spells of rain on pretty much every day. But back to this evening, it's damp out there at the moment, but over the next few hours, most places will become a little drier. Low cloud, mistiness, and perhaps some fog patches for the Peak District, the Pennines and the Lakeland Fells before dawn. We're free from frost though, 4 or 5 Celsius where we see some breaks in the cloud for rural Derbyshire and Cheshire before tomorrow morning. On to tomorrow, those are the sun times. It'll be setting at around 7:49 tomorrow evening. And for most of us, a misty, damp, murky start to the day, but skies will begin to brighten just a little bit through the morning. With the warmth of any brightness, however, showers will quickly crop up. And tomorrow afternoon, there could be a few heavy ones, particularly for Lancashire and Cumbria. Could be some thunder and hail in the mix, but drier, brighter interludes as well.